Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Taurus. Taurus people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Taurus people, in this reading I'm going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards your partner, your mutual energy, and the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Taurus. Okay, so we have Hierophant and Wheel of Fortune. So I feel that some of you could be dealing with another Taurus. Okay, we have Five of Swords, Star, King of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Two of Pentacles, and Page of Pentacles. A lot of pentacles are here. Taurus, I feel that some of you could be dealing with another earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Two of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. Okay, we have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Five of Swords, Three of Swords. Okay, and we have Aquarius in this reading with the Star card, and Taurus with this reading, with this Hierophant. Okay. Okay, so Taurus, these are your partner's energies towards you. These are your energies towards your partner. This is going to be the mutual energy, and this is going to be the future potential of this relationship. So we'll start reading for Taurus. Let's see what your partner feels about you. Okay. So we have Five of Swords, the Hierophant, and Wheel of Fortune. So Taurus, your person feels about you with this Five of Swords card that you are somebody who has defeated your enemies. Okay, be it your toxic emotions, or be it your negative emotions, or be it your enemies. Okay, or the people who wanted to harm you. Okay, in some way, shape, or form. Okay, so they see Taurus, they see you as a warrior. Okay, your person sees you as a warrior, Taurus. Okay, they see that you have defeated your enemies. Okay, and these are your good karmas, which is with your which are with you. Okay, right now. And plus, with this Hierophant card, Taurus people, your person feels about you that you are someone who is taking guidance right now, maybe in life. Okay, where you should move ahead in life. Okay, and plus, in terms of relationship, your person feels that there was so many obstacle, or there were so many disputes going on uh, about this relationship in their, or it could I mean, within their family or within their friend circle or something like that. So they are being warrior of this relationship. Okay, your person feels about you, feels that Taurus, you have taken a lead of this relationship in your hand with this sorry, Five of Swords cup, oh, Five of Swords card. Okay, they feel that you are going to take charge of this relationship. Okay, with full grace and dignity. And plus, with this Hierophant, your person also feels about you that you are into some talk, or some discussion is going on within your family, within your friends, or maybe you are uh, talking to some priest or something like that. Something is moving ahead in this relationship. Okay, you want to start something new in this relationship. That's how your person feels about you. Maybe you have convinced your family or and friends that this is the person with whom you would like to spend your life. Okay, so that's how your person is seeing you. And with this Wheel of Fortune, they are seeing you as their wish fulfillment. Okay, they see you as somebody who is meant for them. Okay, they believe, they are seeing you as they are seeing you as somebody who is very lucky to them. Okay, they believe in you. They feel you are basically their lucky charm. Okay, with this Wheel of Fortune. And I feel that since Wheel of Fortune is in your favor, okay, Taurus, your person feels whatever discussion you are going to, or whatever discussion is going or happening within your family about this relationship, they are definitely going to approve this relationship. Okay, so something big and something new is about to start in this relationship with this Wheel of Fortune. Luck is with you. Okay, Taurus. Okay, now Taurus, let's see what you feel about your person. Okay, Taurus, you feel with this Three of Swords that your person is being heartbroken. Okay, something has happened with them in past. Somebody has dished them. Somebody has cheated on them. So their heart is completely broken right now. And yes, plus for some of you, you can also feel that your person is with. There is a third party situation. Okay, maybe you feel that your person is cheating on you. Maybe they have they have another person in their life in terms of love and relationship. Okay, with this Three of Swords. Okay, but majorly I feel that you feel about your person that they are heartbroken, they are sad, they are tired. Okay, of this love and relationship things. Okay, that's the reason they are being very silent towards when it comes to relationship. They are being very silent. Okay, they are just healing their heart, they are just healing their mind. Okay, they just want to see what is there for them in life. Okay, you are seeing them from a distance. Okay, they are healing their heart, they are healing their mind. Okay, plus with this King of Pentacles, right now you feel that your person does not want to talk about any relationship kind of a thing. Okay, your person, you feel that your person is, very much stuck into their own emotions or into their own mind. Okay, they do not want to think about emotions or relationship or love thing, just because of this Three of Swords energy. Okay, they are being very silent. They are just working 24/7 about towards their career, towards their finances, towards their goals. They are sad. Okay, they have money but they are sad, they don't have emotions left within them. That's how you see them, Taurus. And with this Star card, you also uh, you know you wish to see them. Okay, as a happy person. Okay, you see or you want to, or you wants to see them as somebody who is going to take action towards one thing at a time. Okay, so with the Star card, some of you also feel that maybe they are gaining some clarity about this relationship. Maybe they should start dating you, or maybe they should start talking to you. Okay, so these are your energies towards your partner. The mutual energy between you and your person, Taurus, is Two of Pentacles. Lot of juggling is going on, lot of juggling. And I feel that it's your person, because they are healing their heart and mind. They are heartbroken and they are just working towards their career, finances and goals. So they are being very hardworking right now. Okay, they are juggling a lot of things at the same time. Maybe it's their professional life and personal life. So they are being very, juggling. They are confused and they are just really busy in their own life. Okay, and the future potential of this relationship is Page of Pentacles. Okay, with this card, Page of Pentacles card, I feel that um it's you who is going to initiate something in this relationship. Okay, it's you who is going to talk to your person. Plus I'm also feeling that your person is going to um I mean I'm I feel that it's a person who is, working towards the, even though they are working towards their finances, career and goals right now, and they are being very juggling right now as well. Okay, in future I feel they are going to start something new in terms of career, finances or goal. Okay, plus in if from your side I feel that you are going to take some certain action towards this relationship. So maybe you feel that now it's enough, enough is enough now. Okay, now I have to see what is there for me in this relationship. Okay, so I feel that you are definitely going to talk to your person, or maybe you just want to make things clear that what exactly they want in life or from this relationship. Okay, be it yes or be it no, you just want to know their confirmation. Okay, yeah. Okay, so Taurus, that was your reading. Taurus people, if any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.